Okay, thank you very much and welcome guys. This is we call it Vihiga County Lacrosse. So thank you very much for coming. We appreciate your coming. You've shown our youths down here a new sport, and we are looking forward to nurturing that sport to higher levels. So maybe if you have a word, maybe you can share with us here and how we can do it going forward.
Okay, my name is Boniface Agoi. I'm a lacrosse Kenya under Kenya Lacrosse Association.
Yes.
I also serve as the Kenya national team under 20 assistant coach. So me being here today, it's been a great experience. We've seen so many kids, we've coached so many kids here. Like we found more than 100, which is a big plus in sports development. The kids are wanting.
Yes.
They have that thirst of learning the game.
Yes.
But we only had few challenge, like we had fewer sticks, and the kids were in huge numbers.
Yeah,
So we are urging if there's someone who can help us nurture these kids. They are so thirsty and they really need equipment like sticks, mostly sticks. Any stick can help them grow and make this program grow. Thank you.
Okay, what about the gear? Let's say the helmets and all that. Like you've seen a big number. We've had more than 100 kids and we had few sticks. What can you say about that?
Actually, this is a big, let me say, a challenge for everyone right now in Kenya. And I believe many people are seeing whatever is happening right now in Africa.
Yes.
And Kenya as a country. As we are having a big problem of equipment donation, like whatever we're asking right now is first coming in, chipping in, supporting the programs here in Kenya. Most of the sticks and safety equipment for the boys and guys here in Africa, because we're trying as much as possible. Like we believe, us in Africa, we believe like using a sport like lacrosse to change a boy child or a culture in the community is very important, more than any other thing.
Yes.
Because we have seen lacrosse changing the lives of people.
Yes.
And giving scholarship to several kids. So that means here in Africa we're having a great opportunity.
Yes.
Because this is the first time lacrosse landing in Vihiga. So we need to ask and urge everyone to come and support the programs here in Africa, also here in Vihiga, so that the program can grow. Like Mumias, and we were in Coast region. We also had the same challenge of equipment.
Yes.
But we managed to donate a few sticks to them. But it's the same challenge we are having here in Vihiga. So that stick can change a life here in a community.
Yes.
And it can improve the community also.
Yeah.
We really want to appreciate everyone who's supporting us and everyone who's ready to chip in and support Kenyan lacrosse and the community back here in Kenya. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much and most welcome. We look forward to making it a success. And guys, thank you very much and welcome again. This is Vihiga County, Vihiga Lacrosse, Vihiga County Lacrosse, as you can see here. And we're looking forward to giving back to the community, keeping these young guys busy over this long holiday. And if possible, we are starting these programs from here. We've already launched everything. This is the field, this is the compound. You've talked to the coaches, and this is the entire team, as you can see here. So thank you very much, and we look forward to showing you more of this as we grow as a lacrosse team, Vihiga County. So welcome very much and thank you. Oh, maybe I have another stakeholder here. Your name?
Hello, I'm Mohammed Dennis.
Oh, thank you very much, Mohammed Dennis, and thanks for hosting us. We say thank you and see you next time. Thank you very much and karibu sana. Asante.